To lose your house and everything in it is a terrifying thought. To watch it burn for an hour, unimaginable. But it happened to one Champaign County family. WCI3's Scarlett O'Hara spoke with that family. Scarlett, I can only imagine they're just trying to move on right now.
It's a hard thing to do after what the Hernandez family went through last night. Nobody was hurt in that fire, but 2 pets were lost, along with all their belongings.
I went to bed, and then I heard my husband making a bunch of noise in the living room, and he come in the bedroom and he said, something's going on.
Tony Hernandez woke up to a nightmare.
I jumped out of bed and we both came out. I seen smoke going in the air conditioner.
The fire started on her porch.
Within minutes, it was going very rapidly.
While there, Thomasboro Fire Chief Paul Cundiff said it was one of the largest fires his crews have handled lately, taking about an hour to extinguish.
First units arrived, the entire house was involved into the garage, and there's an addition on the garage that was also burning.
I guess we're just gonna have to start over.
But she doesn't know where to begin.
I've called everywhere.
Hernandez says the hardest part was decades of memories going up in flames.
We had photos of his siblings and his dads that all passed away already, and my kids when they were little. Can't bring none of that back.
They're a tight-knit family who says while they're lucky to be alive, each one lost a piece of themselves in that fire.
My oldest son literally moved out 3 days ago, and he only took a few of his clothes with him, but he brought them back yesterday to wash them. So he's just like the rest of us. He only has the clothes on his back.
Now, all there's left to do is comb through the rubble, hoping to find anything they can carry into their new reality to remember the old one by.
My husband did find a baby book that had pictures in it of my oldest son, and the pictures were charred, but you could still kind of see them. So, I mean, that's something I guess we can keep.
The state fire marshal is investigating the cause of last night's fire. One relative is raising money to help the Hernandez family find a new place to live. If you'd like to pitch in, we'll have a link on our website, WCIA.com. Back to you.
All right, Scarlett, I'd like to see them get back on their feet. And another